So tell me, how would you check that the brakes are working before starting our journey?
When we'll press the brake pedal, that shouldn't be feel spongy or slack. And when we set off, the vehicle shouldn't pull to any side.
Good. Tell me, where do you find the information for the recommended tire pressure for this car and how the tire pressure should be checked?
The recommended tire pressure, you will find it in the book manual, and we will check when the pressure when the tires are cold, and also check the spare tire, and don't forget to refit the cap of the valve.
Good. Tell me how you make sure that your head restraint is correctly adjusted so it provides the best protection in the event of crash.
Head restraint, the hard part of the head restraint should be as high as your eye or above your ears, and as close near to the rigid part of your head.
Good. Tell me, how would you check the tires to ensure that they are sufficient tread depth and their general condition is safe to use on the road?
There should be no cuts or bulges, and 1.6 mm thread wrapped in the middle three quarter or all outer circumference of the
Good.
tire.
Tell me, how would you check that the headlights and the tail lights are working? You don't need to exit the vehicle.
We will just turn on the button and go outside and check all the lights.
Good. Tell me, how would you know there was a problem with your anti-lock braking system?
If there is a problem with the anti-lock brake system, ABS light will display on the panel.
Good. Tell me, how would you check that the direction indicators are working? You don't need to exit the vehicle.
We will turn on the button and check outside, see all the lights.
Good. And which button you're gonna press? The hazard one, yeah? Tell me, how would you check the brake lights are working on this car?
Brake lights,
Brake lights.
when we press the brake pedal, we will see the reflection in the door and windows.
And what if there is no doors, no
We
windows?
will ask somebody to check it for us.
Good. Tell me, how would you check the power assisted steering is working before starting a journey?
If the steering feels heavy, it means the system is not working properly. So we have to check it, like if we move it either side, it should move freely.
Okay.
And when we set off, when we'll move a little bit, slightly move it, it will smoothly move if it's permitted.
Good. Okay, we're gonna do the open the bonnets question. So, जब हमने open the bonnet करना होता है, there is a switch over there which we need to do that. And of course, if you make sure that you do this when you open the bonnet. Okay, so let's do this for me.
Okay, got it.
Good. Okay. अब हमने इसको जो है secure भी करना होता है.
किधर से आनी है इसने? मैं तो कभी खोली।
Okay, make sure you secure it as well. Okay. So tell me questions. You don't need to touch anything.
Okay.
You just need to make sure कि आपने जो है you only point the finger where it is. So आपने किसी चीज़ को touch नहीं करना होता, खाली आपने बनाना होता, ठीक है? Tell me, how can you check that the engine oil level is sufficient?
So this is the dipstick. We'll take it out and wipe it and put it back. The engine oil should be between low and high levels.
Good. Tell me, how can you check that the brake fluid oil level is sufficient?
So brake fluid over there.
Yeah.
We have to check that it should be between the low and high levels.
Good. And tell me, how can you check that the engine coolant level is sufficient?
This is engine coolant, and it should be also between low and high levels.
Good. And make sure you tell them that do not open the cap while it's hot.
Hot. Okay.
And tell me, where can you fill the screen washer water?
Screen washer water is here.
And you just fill the water full. Okay, now close it please for me. You press it a bit more harder. There you go. Now it's closed. Okay. Any problem? Any questions?
No, thank